know where I'm at.
What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today I decided to go and check out the vegan factory in Linden, New Jersey. And I decided to get the Cubano and the chopped cheese since I am from New York. I didn't get the cupcakes or any other drinks. I got water. In this area in particular, there's not a lot of vegan options. The other spot we have is Cultivate, and we have another spot in Roselle, which I am going to try. I will be just popping up in these places, and I will not let the owners know so I could get the authentic feel.
This is the chopped cheese, so let's see if the vegan factory did it. Y'all know I'm from New York, so this chopped cheese better be hitting. This store is from New York, and now they up here in Jersey, so it's better hit. Mm. So now I'm gonna try the Cubano. I never had a Cubano before with mushrooms, but let's see what it's giving. Hmm. It's not bad. Alright, it's not bad. Alright. Good one. It's not mac and cheese though. It's good, but it's not mac and cheese.